You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. Let's look at how to say this name, one of the most common names in Spanish, meaning Peter or Peter in Spanish, also used in South America, Mexico. Pedro is the Spanish pronunciation. If you want to learn more Spanish vocabulary and names, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. You want to listen to Pedro. Pedro. That's your Spanish pronunciation, Pedro. Now, if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say it as Pedro. That's usually the English pronunciation. How to pronounce Pedro from Spanish, Pedro. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.